In addition to having just general cruise ship entertainment, they also have a passenger talent show.
Yeah, no. Nope. 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 Nope.
What's up, everybody? I'm Zap. This is Jericho. We are the six-time international award-winning pop hip-hop music duo Bandit Future. We make clean, fun music that everyone can listen to with a sound that's uniquely Californian. And right now, you are tuned into the Life's a Circus podcast, where we talk about everything that's funny, interesting, and ridiculous. But hold up, man. Y'all been laughing. Y'all been crying. Y'all been doing everything, doing the dishes, watching Life's a Circus podcast. Just having a good time on our dime. We need you to help us out, though.
Come on now. Come on now.
Need you to like. We need you to subscribe. We need you to comment. And we need you to share this video with somebody who likes to get naked.
All right, here's a story for you. You like to travel light? Are the clothes in your bag weighing you down? Well, one cruise ship soon to set sail from the Florida coast wants you to travel without them. Beginning in February, the big Nude Boat will take travelers from Miami to the Caribbean for a paradise vacation. Tickets for this 11-day cruise are on sale right now, and you can find all the information you need to hop on board this clothes-free cruise on our 10 Tampa Bay app.
I guess you're not going to have to pay for your suitcase weighing too
That's
much
right.
in this case. Yeah, there's something there.
There you go.
You know, of all the people that I know, I don't think I know anybody that falls into that category. So let's see.
Really? Because you know a lot of, shall we say, interesting, diverse groups of people.
Well, I'm talking about like literally naked. Like if that's what you're implying, then
Yeah.
no.
Wow.
I do not know any nudists.
Okay. Well, if you know someone who likes to get naked, you probably want to share this podcast with them.
Nice.
Because there is something called the Big Nude Boat Cruise that's happening in 2025. Make sure they get that ticket.
Here's the thing. No, here's the thing. I got to say it right now because I know this is true. Most people that, for what I've seen, people that like to get nude are the type of people that you don't want to see nude. That is almost all of them. I know that for a fact. So I'm okay. So let's go. Let's see what's going on.
I mean, hey, to each their own. Well, make sure you stick to the end to see how much this incredible excursion will cost you. So this is the Big Nude Boat Cruise. It's getting like a lot of attention, but once I kind of looked it up, the company's been around since 1990. The company that does this, it's called Bare Necessities Tour. Come on, you just hear it out, man. Come on. Bare Necessities. It reminds me of the Jungle Book. There's a song and everything. Anyway, Bare Necessities Tour and Travel. They're a nudist-based travel company. And this Big Nude Boat cruises through Norwegian cruise lines. So I guess they've partnered with these different cruise lines to do these like nudist cruise things. There's a lot of fun facts here. In addition to having just general cruise ship entertainment, they also have a passenger talent show.
Yeah, no. Nope. 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 Nope.
A passenger talent show and themed events. What that consists of, I'll leave it to your imagination.
I've erased it from any. Okay, keep going. I feel like there's something good here.
Well, no, I know you have so many questions, so I'm going to answer this one in particular. I know that you're asking, can you be nude everywhere? And the answer is no. Certain places and times where you can be nude, and certain places where you can't. So clothing is required when you're docked at port in the main and specialty dining rooms. So can't eat naked.
That's a
Yeah. And you have to wear clothes during the captain's reception. So I don't know what that is. That sounds like a big get together or something of some sort. I've never been on a cruise. So the captain, those times and places you have to wear clothes. How's it sounding to you now?
doesn't sound like enough places or times. And you know what I'm thinking about? Honestly, the word nude is what I don't like, because nude to me implies unattractive people without clothes on. For some reason, for me, naked sounds sexy. Like, do I want to see this naked woman? Absolutely. Do I want to see that nude group of? I do. I don't even use that word unless I'm referring to people that I didn't want to see in that condition. So I think that's really what does it for me.
I see.
But okay, continue.
Hey, they've been killing it since 1990. That's like recession proof, right there.
You said Norwegian, right?
Norwegian Cruise Line is I guess the cruise line that they're contracting with to do this. So it's not like,
Okay.
because I think I've heard of this on other cruises like Carnival and stuff. They basically just, this is our event, we want to use your boat kind of thing.
Okay, I only ask because, as in general, in Europe, nudity isn't as oh my god as it is here. So I would expect it to be something related to a European country.
Well, actually, the cruise is going through the Caribbean. That's a good segue. So it starts February 3rd, 2025 from Miami, and it goes through Puerto Rico, Port de France, San Lucia, some other places, and then comes back to Miami. It's an 11-day cruise. And you went on a cruise, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how much do you think this one would cost?
For like, 'cause mine was 7, and it was one of the cheaper ones. I'll be honest. The one that I went on was one of the cheaper ones. So doesn't mean it was worse. It just had less amenities and things. So I would imagine this. Does it start? So it's run by Norwegian, but they launch from Miami. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, if you gotta be nude, that's a good place to be nude. Honestly, it's better than Norway. Norway is freezing. Let's see. I would say how much I think it's cost, or how much I would pay.
Give me both.
I would pay. Depends on if I could see. Wow. You know how people are like, I want to see the picture of the person I have to sit next to on the plane. I'd want to see every person that's going to be on this cruise. Like, once I pick my place, I want to see their picture, their description, everything. A picture within the last 6 months. If that's the case and I like what I see, I'd probably pay a few thousand for that. But I figured it's not that way. So I would say 11 days, maybe $3,000. But I would imagine it feels like a special thing. So I feel like it would cost more, maybe like $4,500.
Okay.
That's my guess.
Well, it's a huge range. The lowest price is $2,000. That's where it starts.
Oh, okay.
And it goes all the way up to $30,000 for a 3-bedroom, like
sure
baller status.
Yeah.
Like what happens on the cruise stays on the cruise. Like one of those types of places.
Come on now.
But as you were talking, I'm just like, even if the person is attractive, are there some things that in the nude just aren't attractive? Like,
they talk about like activities or situations, like
both. I don't feel like you would. You think you would want that, but like I feel like there was a Seinfeld episode where like Jerry Seinfeld was dating this woman, and she like never had any clothes on, and he was just, I think this was the episode, and he was like all amped up, like she never wears clothes, and then he started living with her, and it was just like she just started doing like normal things, but when she was naked, it just like wasn't Like,
Zephyr? That is not a word.
Do you challenge?
No, I do not challenge.
6 points.
I'd accuse you of cheating, but I don't know where you'd hide the tiles.
You want some more iced tea?
Sure.
Wrong pipe.
I get what you're saying. I suppose if I watched a really attractive woman naked, like cooking eggs, and then like she gets splattered by the grease, that'd probably be like the unsexiest version of a naked lady I've ever seen, just getting egg grease splatter on her. I suppose, yeah, you get numb to it, but then that goes to the whole not mixing the sexuality with the nudity. It's like, I'm just naked. Like, that's how some people see it. And so I get that. But that's the best case scenario. Like I said, I'm pretty sure most of the people are people you don't want to see naked, and all they need is the green light to say, you don't have to wear clothes here. And they say, sign me up. The first one in line at the buffet. They're the ones that are trying to see how much they have to not wear to be able to get to the buffet. You know, like, I have something on. It's like, it's not enough.
That reminds me also of the gym, because I don't know how it works in the women's locker room, but in the men's locker room, the guys who just have everything hanging out are like the oldest, most out of shape Asian.
Nice. But the thing is, they grew up with it, so they're not. It's not weird to them, and they don't mind making you feel uncomfortable about it.
I was just I've had some bad times in the gym locker room. It's like why?
I don't look down. I don't look down at all. Nope. Everything up here. Nice.
So I try. Sometimes they come around the corner and sneak up. And you just
eyes up, eyes up. I probably, you know what a good policy be for the eyes up, hands up. You don't want to feel nothing either. If you walk around like this, it'd be like, I'm nice to talk to you. See ya. You know.
Yeah. Well, that's the big nude boat cruise. Jump on in 2025 if you're about that life. I think both of us are not for it, but
it's not deceptive. It's very self-explanatory what it is. That's good. Marketing.
Yeah. Do your thing if you're into it. But let us know. What do you think in the comments? Would you go on this cruise? Is this your thing? Is it not? Is the price too high? I don't know. Let us know what you think.
I feel like there's a Norwegian man whose nickname is Big Nude that's like, oh, this is my jam. And he just goes, he's the first for everything. I guarantee he's going to be there.
Like the mascot?
I didn't even think about that. That would be, well, I hope that's a thing. That's all I'm going to say. I do. I'm not going to go, but I hope that's a thing.
Well, you got to be careful if you go on a nude cruise. Because things get crazy. Things get spicy.
Sure.
If someone takes a picture or
post it on Instagram, hey.
Yeah. You just might.
Maybe.
Lose your job. You might lose your job because your boss saw you on the nigga cruise and you were doing the limbo out.
They took our jobs. They took our jobs. Took our deer. Took our deer.